am going to show you how to do collecting treasure with L'Oreal activity. So let's start. So this is the instruction. This is the workspace. This is the toolbox. This is the goal. This is the step button. This is the run button. And this is the play area. So let's start. Free play. This is L'Oreal the Adventurer. Move her around and get as much treasure as you can. Use the collect block to pick up the treasure. Drag blocks into the workspace and try to figure out how to get treasure. Get at least one item to pass this level. So we are going to collect these treasures and we have to see what is the goal. So repeat. Move forward. Collect. So we use the collect block because she cannot just run over and get them. So we need to put the collect block. So then turn to the left. Move forward and turn to the right. We have to do this for 4 times. Yes, she collected all the 4 items. Next puzzle. Move L'Oreal to the treasure. Then use the collect block to pick it up. So the goal here is 1 treasure. So there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 boxes. So repeat 4 times, move forward and then collect. Yes, she got the treasure. Next activity. Sequence matters. The blocks you need are already in the workspace but not connected. Order these blocks to collect the treasure and solve the puzzle. So we have to get this treasure. So we have to connect these blocks. So move forward 2 times. Turn to the left. Move forward and collect. Yes, she got the treasure. Next puzzle. Here the goal is 2. Sequence matters. The blocks you need are already in the workspace but not connected. Put these blocks in order to collect all of the treasure and solve the puzzle. So first she has to move forward. Then she has to turn to the right. Then move forward 2 times. And then collect the first treasure. And then she has to turn left. Move forward 2 times. And again collect. So let's see. Yes, she got all the treasure. Next puzzle. Help me collect each bit of the treasure. These blocks are in a wrong order. Can you fix them? So these blocks are not in a sequence. So we need to fix them. So first she will move forward 2 times. Move forward 2 times and then she has to turn right. Then move forward 2 times and collect. Then again 1 move forward and collect. So let's see. Yes, she got the treasure. Next puzzle. Help me collect all of the treasure. These blocks are in a wrong order. Reorder them to collect all of the treasure. So we have to reorder them. So first she'll move forward, then she will turn to the left, not the right. Then move forward, collect. Then she has to again move forward and then turn to the right. Then she has to move forward, collect, move forward, collect. So let's see. Yes, she got all the treasure. Next puzzle. This is a challenge puzzle. I am ready. Challenge is what is going on here. Even if we put these in the right order, there will still be some missing. Use the blocks from the toolbox to collect all of the treasure. So the goal is 5. So first she'll move forward. Then she will collect. Then again she will move forward. Collect. Again move forward and collect. Then she will turn to the right. 2 times move forward. Then collect. Again 2 times move forward. Turn to the left. Move forward and collect. So let's see. Yes, she got all the treasure. Challenge completed. Next puzzle. Keep up the good work. Help me collect all of the treasure. So the goal here is 3. So we are going to do move forward, collect, move forward, collect, move forward and again collect. So let's see. Yes, she got all the treasure. Next puzzle. Let's get all of the treasure. So take a repeat loop and put 3 in it. Then inside that, move forward, collect, and then turn to the right. So let's see. Yes, she got all the items. Next puzzle. Help L'Oreal collect all of the treasure. Move forward, collect, then turn to the left, move forward, turn to the right, move forward, collect. So let's see. Yes, she got the treasure. Next puzzle. Look at this code carefully. What do you think will happen when the program runs? L'Oreal will collect 4 pieces of treasure using the code. L'Oreal will try to collect treasure where there is not any and it causes an error. L'Oreal will collect all the treasure, or I don't know. So first let's verify the code. So first she'll move forward here and then collect. So this is wrong. L'Oreal will try to collect treasure where there is not any and cause an error. So the option is B. Let's see. Yes, it was correct. Next puzzle. You are almost done. Collect as many pieces of treasure as you can finish the stage. So, we'll take one loop, and before that we are going to put move forward and collect. In that loop we are going to do 3 times. Move forward and collect. This should be 2 times. And then we have to turn to the left. Let's see. I have collected 7 treasure. So now we are going to collect 2 more. So move forward, collect, turn to the left, move forward and collect. So let's see. Yes, she collected all the items. So this is how to do collecting treasure with L'Oreal activity. Thank you for watching my video. Till that time, bye bye.